Yo, it's Thursday the 12th of March 2022. I need to take it down again to try and get rid of the clunky noise. That's obviously some problem, so I'm going to do that. See, these are a bit wobbly here. There's not much I can do about that, but that doesn't help. Even when it's fully tightened, it's got that little bit of movement. Yeah, it's way too loose there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to undo these bolts, which should tighten the chain up just a little bit. Right, so I dropped this whole thing down a few millimetres, and although it's not in line with this, it now seems to be in line better with the motor, and that is the thing that is of utmost importance. So yeah, stick it back up in the sky, see what happens. One thing I need to do is make sure all these things are tightened up properly. Those there. I'm showing you this because this is the little bolt where we can adjust the angle of the turbine, and we're going to make it a few degrees higher. I'll show you it after. So undo this. See the angle moves there? Let's make it a bit higher. If we're going to put it up, we might as well, mightn't we? Wicked. Cup of tea. So now you can see it sticks more aggressively up into the air. So let's go, we'll put it back up and see what happens. Wish us luck. Right, we've come to the conclusion that this is actually the bent one and this is the good one. So what I need to try and do is see if there's enough space to drop it down and try and run off that one. Right, we've just taken the blades off so that we can then see if there's enough room to get it running off this gear. So the whole thing's got to go back a bit. So one issue we've got is this weld here very much in the way. So we're going to get a grinder and try and get rid of that. We should have enough room to run off the smaller one. The correct smaller one as planned. This is a video of how the top bit looks, just so you know before it goes back up. Sweet. And remember, before it goes up, we change this angle on the side, so we stay up in the air a bit more. Also, we had to swap the blades around, which means we ended up with this very wobbly front blade at the minute, just temporarily. That can be sorted out, but not today. The side guide ropes need doing up. It's leaning over about 3 degrees at the minute. Definitely running sweet, isn't it? Look at the chain. I don't even think it's going to be making 12 volts. Let's go have a look. No, nothing at the minute.